this video, we will explore a very powerful technical indicator that will help you spotting trends, potential market directions, dynamic support and resistances. I'm talking about Andrews pitchfork. Developed by Dr. Alan Andrews pitchfork, this indicator is based on 3 points. These 3 points would define a median central line and 2 lines, parallel lines, which will act as dynamic and support lines, and this would be the trend lines. Simple and yet very powerful indicator to define the equilibrium on the market and predefine potential directions where the market can actually go from here. So how to access the tool? In that toolbar, go all the way down to here, the Andrews pitchfork. Click on the button, on the icon, and now you need to select 3 points of the trend. Ideally, start with the place where a new trend begins, where the previous trend ends. Find convenient, convincing support or resistance level, and the trend flips, making higher highs, higher lows. In that case, for this example, we can see there was an uptrend here, and then the price flips, making high, low, and then lower high. So from the starting point, grab all the way the second point to the bottom of the first way, then the end of the correction on the opposite direction. And what you will see here is the central median line here and 2 parallel lines, 2 parallel trend lines, which will act as dynamic trend lines on the developing trend, starting from this spot. So as you can see, the median line defines the expected direction of the market, while the parallel lines act as dynamic resistance and dynamic support. The power of this indicator, it will help you to spot potential support levels where the market will bounce off, and potential resistance levels where the market could continue its trend with. So it actually helps you to spot price channels, potential bouncing points, potential retraces levels, and potential levels where the trend will continue. This could help you to find perfect entry points when you are looking for your trades. You can adjust the indicator as you wish. Just go to the indicator, right click, and you will see here the style, which you will be able to choose the style of the trend lines, of course the color, the thickness of the line. You would be able to change the visibility on what time frames and what conditions, what chart types like Renko charts, range charts, Heikin-Ashi, you would be able to see the indicator. This is a very simple, straightforward, and yet super powerful indicator, super powerful trading tool, technical tool that can help you to find ideal entry levels. When you combine it with other tools you have on cTrader, this would simply help you to spot the trades and the best possible entry levels.